In the last video, I showed you how to add the valid values attribute to a parameter in a command so that it will only accept the valid values that you supply it. And of course, this is for Amilious Console. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do something similar, but this time we only want to allow command names and loaded command names as valid values. To do this, we're going to first create a new method for testing this out. So we're going to create a new command here. We're going to call it video cmd, and we need our command context ctx, and we're going to have a string and call this command name. Now in this method, we're going to just write to the console, so ctx console dot write line format, and we're going to pass it the normal style, which you don't need to. And here we're going to put this video is about the blah 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 command. Right? So now I need to pass the command name, and it's all set up. So let's go ahead and make this command by adding a cmd attribute and calling this command command. And I also want to go ahead and add an alias and put the alias of cmd. Alright, so let's say I want this command name to be a valid command. Well, we can use the command name attribute to only allow valid and currently loaded commands. So to do that, we can type in command name, and there's different properties here you can turn on or off. So first is include aliases. By default, we do include aliases, and include groups, which again by default we do include groups. If you want to turn any of these off, you can just add a bool here, true or false, and be good to go. But I want to leave it as it is, and also I want to shorten this to cmd name. And that's it. I'm going to go ahead and save. Jump over to Unity. I'm going to run the project after it rebuilds. Hit F5, and if we go to our YouTube test, we now have this new command. So if I just type in some random stuff, it's not going to work. But if I change this to an actual valid value, it will execute. So this ensures that a valid command name is given. That's it for the command name attribute. In the next video, we'll talk about the group name attribute.